Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduced. My name is Khairun Anwari. With my partner Nirina Rinzani Hermawan, I will tell a story with the title The Legend of Ruai Bird and along with part of speech. In the past, there was a kingdom in West Kalimantan. The king had 7 little girls. The king did not intend to remarry. She commonly with other individuals. The king dared above his daughter practice. He typical advised his older child to practice. He commonly advised his older little girl to behave like the youngest little girl. Regretfully, they never heard the king's advice. They had their youngest sibling due to the fact that the king commonly praised her excellent behavior. Older children commonly did horrible things to the younger child. The commonly struck here. One day the king asked all her daughter to meet him. I must think lately to the boarding kingdom. While I'm gone, my younger daughter will rule the kingdom. Do you cooperate? Asked the king after the king left. They proved something negative. The youngest child enjoyed. Leslie, her older sibling, behaved to her. Leslie, her older sibling, behaved to her. There was a river streaming inside the cavern. The youngest child was so diligent when they ultimately reached the cave. She did not know that her siblings were most likely to do something negative to her. You will discover a lot of fish inside the cavern, said the oldest daughter. As she went inside the cavern, she did not know that here she remained outside the cavern. She after that recognized that her sibling did not want her to rule the kingdom anymore. You can go back to the kingdom, yet you need to change into a bird. I call you right bird. Slowly she became a stunning bird. And us. Nevertheless, the eggs were hatched. They went back to the kingdom. They all stayed at the tree near the kingdom. They all saw exactly how the kingdom penalized the older sis. It, it is part of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, and profession. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.